Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Binance as an escrow. Okay, a lot of us have been scammed online, and at some point we need Binance to serve as an escrow. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use Binance as an escrow in your transaction. Now let's say you want to buy something from somebody in your country or in another country. I'll be showing you how to use Binance to do that. And before we get started, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so you're going to receive more of what we do online here. Now let's get straight to business. What is an escrow to start with? An escrow is a third party that helps in making sure that both the buyer and the seller are safe in a transaction. Now let's say this is the buyer. We'll be notifying this as the buyer. Forgive my drawing. This is the seller. We'll notifying this as the seller. This is the escrow. Okay, I'm going to put this as the escrow. So I will notify the buyer as B, the seller as S, and this is the escrow. I'll put it as E. The escrow is obviously Binance. Okay, now for this tutorial I'll be using a Ghanaian. Okay, let's say I want to buy USDT from a Ghanaian who is who lives abroad. Of course, he wants to sell me USDT and I want to buy USDT from him. And before that, we plan to use Binance as escrow. Now he can send me his USDT and I will block him. Okay, and he has lost. Okay, he has been scammed. Or I can send him my money and he blocks me and I've been scammed. So how does an escrow work? The way the escrow works, Binance orders the seller to deposit the USDT he wants to sell with them. So he's going to send the USDT to Binance, and then Binance will ask me to pay the seller after they have received the seller's USDT. So I'll pay the seller, and Binance will ask the seller if he has received the money I've paid him. Once the seller confirms that he has received the money I've paid him, Binance will give me the USDT I ordered from the seller. This is safe and secure. I've been using escrow for years, and I'll be explaining it on this video how to set it up. Okay, now let's get straight to setting it up. Now, of course, you can see that Binance is in fact is the most safe form of escrow you can use in any transaction. Now let's say I want to purchase USDT from this my Ghanaian friend, and I will be paying him through, let's say, Eversend. I'm not saying Eversend works or is profitable. I'm just using it as an example for this video. Now, to set up my escrow, I have to simply go to Binance P2P. You can find the Binance P2P here. What I have to do is just to click on it. Meanwhile, my friend in Ghana must already have USDT in his wallet that he wants to send to me. Okay, remember that I'm paying him through Eversend, is a preferred wallet we have chosen. Of course, both of you can discuss to use whatever, cheaper cash or anything. I'm just using Eversend to make my point. Okay, so here I will be creating you as the buyer. You want to buy the USDT. You are called the buyer. Your Ghanaian friend or whatever, wherever country, is the seller. So you as a buyer, you're going to be creating a buy ad. You're going to come here. This is Binance. You're going to come here. There's a place called ad here. I'll take off this thing. You can see ad. You click on it. When you click on it, here will be empty. If you are coming for the first time, this place will be very empty until you set your ad. Remember, you're setting a sell ad, and let's say I want to buy 100 USDT from this Ghanaian. So I just have to come here and click on post ad. Click on post ad. I'm going to post an ad to buy 100 USDT from him. So I'm just going to come to this place, leave this place as USDT because USDT is what you want to buy. If you want to purchase any other asset, you can click down and select whatever you want to buy from your friend who lives abroad. But in my case, I want to buy USDT, so I'm leaving it as USDT. Here you have to change this place to NGN because you're in Nigerian. I'm in Nigerian. If you are doing it from any other country, you can search for your country here. But I'm in Nigerian, I'll leave it as NGN. Now I want to purchase 100 USDT from a Ghanaian, so I'll set my price to purchase 100 USDT. Now here you're going to set, this place is showing you that This is the highest price in the market right now, although it doesn't matter, but you just have to set your own as 7. Make sure you set your own below the market price so Nigerians will not click on it. Okay, so just put my own at 730. Currently 1 USDT is around 745 or 750, so I'm going to set at 730 below the market price so Nigerians will not click on it. Then I'll click on next. When I click on next, my ad is almost set up, my escrow is almost set up. Binance will ask me, how much USDT are you planning to buy from this your friend? Okay, I'll type it here. I'll tell them I want to buy 100 USDT. Okay, now Binance will automatically show you the price of 100 USDT according to what you have set in there. Remember that this price doesn't reflect. You can set this price the way it is. Then you come here, just leave it as 5,000. You can change it to 4,000 here, and then you come here, type it as 73,000 naira. Sorry, I'm going to clear it. Just put it at 73,000. We are putting the same thing as it is here. Okay, whatever you see here, look, whatever you see here, just put it here also. Okay, now assuming you want to buy like 20 USDT or 10 USDT, still put 100. Make sure you just put 100 here because 100 is the minimum you can set for a buy ad. Okay, just put 100 there. If you try to put anything like 10, you can see that it's not going to allow you to create the ad. Okay, if you click on next, it will not allow you to create the ad. So the minimum is 100. Even if you want to buy 50 USDT, put 100 there. I'll show you where to type in the 50 later in this video. Now when you have reached this point, just click on next. When you click on next, okay, you can set your I've already set my own. I just said no need to call me, I'm here with you always online. You can set your own terms here and don't touch any other thing. Just click on post. Now when you click on post, your ad will be live. Okay, now you go and meet your Ghanaian or your Kenyan, whoever you want to buy the USD from. Tell him, okay, I've posted my ad, go and look for me. My name is Kings. The name of my P2P name is Kings. Okay, and my price is at 730. So what your Ghanaian friend will do is to come to his own Binance. Just click on done. Your Ghanaian friend will come to his own Binance and start looking for you, Kings. And remember that he is going to go to the sell side. Okay, when he goes to the sell side, he will start looking for whose name is Kings. Remember that my name is Kings, so Kings will be here, and my price is 730. So he has to start looking for Kings and 730. That means he has to scroll down because 730 is down, down, down. You can see as we go down, 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 the prices are reducing. So he has to scroll down until he finds 730, which is sometimes very, very stressful. The reason why I put it at 730 because as when I put it at 792, as you can see here, he will find it easily, but Nigerians will be clicking on my ad. I put it at 730 so that it will not be favorable for Nigerians. So let's put it at that place. It can be stressful for them because they have to scroll down. But if you want to make it easy for them, you just have to go on the ad, click on this hamburger button that is showing here. Okay, click on the hamburger button, click on share ad. Click on share ad. Once you click on share ad, you'll find the picture here. You just share the picture, click on share picture. You share the picture to your Ghanaian, and look at, you can see my name is Kings here. So you just click on share picture. When you click on share picture, you'll find something like this, and these are the places wherever your Ghanaian is. If he's on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, whatever you're chatting with him, you just share the picture to him. He will click it will come as a link. Okay, when he receives it on his DM, he has to click on it. When he clicks on it, he will land on your ad directly. Let's say he will land on your ad. Let me just remember, we are doing for 100 USD. We're trying to buy 100 USD. Let me show you how it's going to look like. I'm just showing you an example now. Okay, now let's say he clicks on that link and he will just land on your DM. And this is, let's say this person is me. This is where he will land. He will just, once he clicks on that link, it will bring him to this point like this. Okay, very easy. Once he clicks on that link you have sent to him, to bring him here. Now Binance is asking him, okay, this is Kings. Now this is the person you are trading with. He has sent you his link. Put in the USDT both of you have agreed to transact. Kings wants to buy 100 USDT. So the your friend will say, your Ghanaian friend can write, yes, we plan to transact 100 USDT. So you put 100 here. So if it's 20 people plan to transact, he also put the 20, whatever he has both of you discussed. That's why I said, you as a Nigerian, you must be 100. So this is where your Kenyan or whoever you are trading with can put the exact amount both of you want to trade. But we have agreed to trade for 100 USDT, so he's going to put 100 USDT. Okay, now you just have to select any bank. Of course, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you click here, he must select his bank, but you're not paying to his bank. Remember that you are paying through another app, maybe Eversend, Cheaper Cash. So he just putting his account number there for just the sake of the ad, so the ad can go through. So when he fixes his account number and he will click on sell, when he clicks on this sell, Binance will send you a message as the Nigerian that an order has been created with your link. The person has deposited 100 USDT with us. Go and pay the person. Okay? Somebody wants to buy 100 USDT from you. Go and pay the person. Of course, you now have to go on your Cheaper Cash or Eversend or whatever app people have planned to use already, and then you go and send the money to the person, to your friend, your Ghanaian, okay, your Ghanaian friend, and you make a screenshot of the receipt. When you make a screenshot of it for reference purpose, and then you come and click I have paid, okay, click on I have transferred. When you click on I have transferred the amount of money, okay, then you then Binance notify the Ghanaian that you have paid. He should check his wallet or whatever. Once he checks his wallet, you'll find the money and he will release your crypto. That is exactly how it works. It is very, 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 very easy. And I hope you understand exactly all I've said. Okay, I'm going to just summarize my statement, but make sure you have like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications so you're notified when other videos have been released. Okay, so I'm going to just summarize all I've said right now. You have to create an ad as a Nigerian. Okay, the ad is called a buy ad. You're creating the ad to buy USDT. To be very fast, I've shown you how to create a buy ad. You can go back and check it. Click on this hamburger button that is 3 here. Click on share this ad to your friend. If you share it, you can share it to his Facebook account, WhatsApp, whatever you are chatting with him. He will just click on the link. Okay, when you click on the link, it's going to land him on the sell part where he has to sell the USDT. Okay, now he will click on it and sell it to you. Okay, when he clicks on it and sell it to you, then you are going to find your ad message to your inbox telling you that somebody has clicked on your ad to sell USDT. You should go and pay him and click on I have paid or I've transferred, whatever. You know how it looks like. When you have clicked on that, Binance will release your 100 USDT to your spot wallet, and then you can sell. The transaction is secure. Nobody cheated anybody. I hope you understand this video, but if you don't understand, kindly you can drop your questions on the description button and I'm going to respond to them. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And we have a Telegram group in case you don't understand at all. You can join and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it from there.